Let's go to the state level. We want to talk with the Department of Emergency Management. We know that they are coordinating closely with state agencies, local governments, as well as some of their private partners as well. So Jason Elmore joins us with VDEM to talk about what the state is doing as a whole to prepare for the storm, what they will be doing during the storm, and what they will be doing after the storm. Thank you, sir, for taking some time to talk with us.
Yeah, absolutely. Glad to be here.
Give me an idea of how VDEM is preparing for this storm.
Well, first and foremost is we're getting the message out about how significant of an event that this is going to be, not only to the residents of Virginia, but to those that may be anticipating travel to the area. But we're being impacted Commonwealth wide, which is fairly unusual for us to have this significant event that's impacting all parts of the Commonwealth at the same time with one system. So we're making sure we get that message out there to be prepared. It's going to start late tomorrow afternoon and into the Saturday evening. You have a little bit of time today and tomorrow morning to get out and get anything you need from the store and those types of things. But then we want you to hunker down Saturday evening throughout the day on Sunday into Monday morning, because road conditions are going to be treacherous out there.
What are some of the agencies that you have working together to make sure things run as smoothly as possible, and some of the things that they will be doing?
We work very closely with Virginia Department of Transportation, our Virginia State Police partners, Virginia National Guard, as well as Department of Social Services, Department of Health. All are in the same room in the Emergency Operations Center, coordinating and collaborating any resources that mostly what the local governments need. We make sure that we keep them prepared as well. And as you mentioned in the intro, we coordinate with our local governments and speak with them, find out what their needs are, the resources that they're going to need throughout the event, and try to coordinate that as best as possible.
What is your biggest concern heading into this storm?
Biggest concern is people on the roadway and power outages. Those are going to be the two biggest things. A lot of times we tell people to don't go out and travel, or we urge them. We're not really urging or encouraging this time. We're telling you during those peak hours, Saturday evening and Sunday into Monday, stay off the roadway. It's going to protect our first responders who are out there trying to get people that are possibly having a heart attack or any medical emergency. But it's also protecting our transportation workers that are out there trying to clear the roadways. So getting those roadways, having them clear so that those essential employees that have to be out there can do it safely.
Do you have a plan for if you have like falling trees because of ice, or is your Forest Service being activated to make sure you get roads cleared in case that happens?
Yeah, with the declaration of a state of emergency by Governor Spanberger yesterday, it does allow us to not only bring in resources from the National Guard to help with. They have large four-wheel drive vehicles to be able to get first responders to people that are in need. That's part of what they do. They also have chainsaw crews as well. Our Department of Forestry, we can bring in them to help out with that, as well as some of our VDOT personnel are trained in that as well, to be able to clear things from the roadway. We are going to see with this storm a significant amount of ice in a lot of the areas of the Commonwealth, and so we are a little bit nervous about what is going to happen with trees falling, power lines down, those extended power outages. So always urge people to be prepared now before the storm, so that if you do lose power, that you could have those supplies for up to 72 hours.
Yeah, I was just going to ask you ways that people can prepare, like with their emergency supplies. What are you recommending that people have on hand?
Well, make sure you have, bottled water, non-perishable foods. A lot of times people forget that. They go and they get foods from the store, and they either have to stay frozen or end up being cooked. You may not have that luxury of being able to do that this time if you don't have power. Fill up your propane tanks if you want to try to cook something on the grill. Have medications. Make sure all of your medications are filled. It may be several days before you're going to be able to get out on the roadway to be able to refill any prescriptions. So make sure you have all of that readily available and handy. Don't forget your flashlights, your batteries, your charging devices. Have those fully charged up. So if you need to charge your phone, those power banks are important to be able to keep your phone charged to get important information.
How would you compare what you're hearing about what this storm is going to be to other storms that we've had in Virginia?
Well, one, I know this morning we work closely with our National Weather Service partners, and one of their chief meteorologists mentioned to us that he would consider this to be a potential catastrophic ice event in Virginia. And so we're taking this extremely seriously. Back in, I believe it was 1996, we had a significant snow and ice event. I was still in a fire station at that point. I was serving in a public safety role at that point, and I remember it very well. And it was significant. It caused power outages for several days, and that's why we want people to take it seriously and to be prepared.
And one other question, this emergency operations center that you will be putting together for the duration of this storm, explain to me what that's going to look like.
Yeah, so the Virginia Emergency Operations Center is located here in the Richmond area, and we have what we call the Virginia Emergency Support Team, which is basically a group of state agency representatives as well as private sector and nonprofit groups that we work and collaborate with all year round, preparing for things just like this. We all come together at the Emergency Operations Center, and that way we coordinate any resource needs to our local governments, and we're kind of the hub for that information about what's going on throughout the state. Each of our local emergency managers will provide us situation reports throughout the event, telling us what's going on in their communities, as well as if there's any needs that they can't take care of at a local level. The state will step in and be able to assist. And so the Emergency Operations Center is really that hub to be able to do that, bringing the whole community together to be able to help out those that are in need.
All right. Well, it's nice to know that you are there. That's good to know. Mr. Elmore,
Absolutely.
thank you. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you for having me, and I hope everyone stays safe and stay warm.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you. All right, yeah, Jason Elmore with the Virginia Department of Emergency Management, and they definitely sound prepared. Don't you think, Naya? I mean, he was pretty thorough with what they have going on statewide.